telling you, this boat is the bomb. Carry a pump and a patch kit with it, but it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 chambers. Or if you puncture one, you got no problems getting off the water yet. But like a 25 horse motor on there, I do believe. Rated for 1,675 pounds. That's crazy. Use a little trolling motor once in a while on it. If not, it paddles really easy with one guy on the back, one guy in the front. You can stand. I'm 6'2", 280 pounds, and I can stand on these sides, and the thing doesn't even quiver in the water. It's amazing. My professional camel job I put on there last year. Bet you're jealous.